Hi guys, this is Nikki Nicole, and this is going to be part 2 of how to install my U-part wig. If you haven't seen part 1, I'll link it down below. This is the styling portion. This is my Zoe professional curling wand. It has 2 other attachments. This is the biggest one. Okay, I'm going to be putting some big curls in my hair with this curling wand, so I'm just going to section a portion of my hair off. Okay, I'm going to spray a couple pumps of this heat protectant spray on the hair. And I'm going to get my paddle brush and make sure I brush it thoroughly. There won't be any tangles in the hair. Here I am about to start curling my hair with this wand. I'm going to take the hair, wrap it around the wand backwards, so away from my face, so the curls can fall a little bit better. I like to do it backwards. So I'm going to hold it here for about 15 to 20 seconds just to make sure the curl is nice and tight. I like to hold on to the curl after I remove the curling wand from the hair, just to let it cool off a little bit and then let the curl just drop down. I'm just going to speed up the rest of the video while I curl the rest of the portion of my hair. Okay, so this is a finished portion of the hair, and I'm just going to finger comb the curls out because I don't like them that tight. So I'm just going to finger curl it out, and this will be the end result. If you like it, let me know down below in the comments and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.